Pagod ka na ba? Hindi lang sa katawan, kundi sa isip, sa puso, sa buhay. Chill lang muna mga friends. Importante rin ang rest. Matthew 11:28 sabi ni Jesus, "Come to me and I will give you rest." Hindi niya sinabi, "Come to me and work harder." Ang sabi niya, rest. Hebrews 14 says, "He who has entered his rest has ceased from his own works." Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan pilitin ang lahat. Hindi mo kailangan kontrolin ang lahat. Psalms 37:7 says, "Rest in the Lord and wait patiently for Him." Rest is not doing nothing. Rest is trusting God while you move forward. Hindi stress ang nagbibigay ng breakthrough. Grace ni Lord ang nagbibigay ng breakthrough and yung state ng abundance. Kung pagod ka na, lumapit ka kay Jesus. Stop striving, start trusting. Believe in Jesus, my friend. Sa Kanya may tunay na rest. Like, share, subscribe, and comment this. Chill time muna ako with Jesus. No stress, just rest. Blessed to be a blessing.